How to fix Disney Plus error code 41. So if you want to fix your Disney Plus error code 41, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your browser. Once you open up your browser, you need to go with the upper right, which has that three dots icon. Go with settings. Under settings, you will have the extensions option right here. Just click on extensions, and here you will have your extensions, right? So we don't know which extension is causing the problem, so we will toggle all of them off. So if you have any extensions right here, just go and toggle it off, and after that your problem might be fixed. But if that doesn't fix your problem, then just go with your settings again and go with privacy and security, and here you will have an option of cookies and other site data, or just go with third party cookies. Scroll down and go with see all site data and permissions, and here you need to search for Disney. Once you've searched, if you have any sites of Disney, you just need simply go with the right side, which you have the trash icon. You just need simply go with the trash under Disney, and after that, restart your browser and your problem might be fixed. If that doesn't fix your problem, then you just remove your browser. Now search for CMD, which is command prompt. Go with run as administrator. Click on yes, and now you need to enter some commands. So the command goes like ipconfig space / flush DNS, and then hit the enter. And after that, your problem might be fixed. If that doesn't fix your problem, you can open up your Firefox or Opera or something like that, like other browsers, which is an alternative for Chrome, and then your problem might be fixed. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, then you just need to simply go with your Microsoft Store, and you can simply install the Disney Plus application, because the Plus Microsoft Store version is more stable. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.